Hey, what's up, Chem Peeps? Who's ready for some practice with Molarity? You have 4.00 liters of solution that contains 116.9 grams of sodium chloride NaCl. Three things we need to figure out. What is the concentration of sodium chloride? What is the concentration of sodium ion? What is the concentration of chloride ion? Let's take a quick look at a simulation to help you understand how to answer this question. If I were to shake a bunch of sodium chloride into solution, recognize that for every sodium chloride formula unit, I'm going to get one sodium ion and one chloride ion, because the ratio of ions in my formula for sodium chloride is 1 to 1. And if it's helpful, let's write out an equation to illustrate that. Boom! Now the first thing we're asked to solve for is the molar concentration of sodium chloride. And recognize that the molarity formula is equal to number of moles of solute per liter of solution. Well, we know that the liters of solution is 4.00. We're given that directly in the problem. In order to determine how many moles are in that 4 liters, I need to take my 116.9 grams of sodium chloride and first convert it to moles. So I'm going to set up a quick conversion using the molar mass from the periodic table for sodium chloride. Then just jump to your calculator. 116.9 times 1 divided by 58.44 enter. In 116.9 grams of sodium chloride, I've got 2.000 moles of sodium chloride. So if I want to know the concentration, I'm going to take my number of moles and divide it by my volume of solution. I don't even need a calculator for this one. The molar concentration of my sodium chloride solution is 0.500 molar. Boom. Again, think moles per liter. If I have 2 moles in 4 liters, that means in each liter I have 0.5 moles. Molarity. But we're not done. We're also asked for the concentration of the sodium ion. Come back to this thrilling animation. For every 1 formula unit of sodium chloride that I put into solution, I got 1 sodium ion. In other words, if I have 2.000 moles of sodium chloride that I added to solution, recognize that the ratio between sodium chloride and sodium ions is a 1 to 1 ratio. So I must have added 2.000 moles of sodium ion. And keeping in mind the formula for concentration, that means that 2.000 moles of sodium ion in 4.00 liters means that my concentration of sodium ion is also 0.500 molar. Boom. But we're not done. We also need to know what is the chloride ion concentration. Again, think about what happens when you put sodium chloride into solution. For every 1 formula unit of sodium chloride, you're going to get 1 chloride ion. So if I put 2.000 moles of sodium chloride into solution, and the ratio between sodium chloride and chloride ion is 1 to 1, based on the formula, that means that my number of moles of chloride ion is also 2.000. And if I want to know the molar concentration, I'm going to take my number of moles, which is 2.000, and divide it by my volume, which is 4.00 liters. Which means the concentration of chloride ion is also 0.500 molar. Boom! Done.